Hello friends, today in this video I will show you OneDrive starting JavaScript error on Windows 11 or 10 fix. So guys, it's very easy and simple method. So firstly you need to type here to search, type this name and right click on it and click on run as administrators. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now you need to click on advanced. Now click on restore advanced setting. Now close it, and if it does not work, so type here this again and open it. Now you need to click on security. Now click on custom level. Now scroll down and find the scripting. This scripting, if it is disabled, so enable it and click on OK. Click on yes and close it and restart your PC. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.